What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have another update on Spell token, which is up just about 4%. Nothing like Bitcoin, as it has gone through a major increase in value over the last month or so, currently at its all-time high around $112,000. So how is this going to impact Spell token over the next few days, weeks, months and throughout the year? How high can Spell token go? Is now the best time to buy or sell? That's what we'll be going through and essentially looking at this long-term and short-term prediction. But before I do that, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at Spell token, at the bottom we have the RSI, which is currently at 56.37, which is again bang on, not exactly in the middle, but more or less in the middle, rather than being overvalued or undervalued, meaning it is nowhere near being or likely to drop down in value. It has a long way to go to increase in value, and that is where I'm predicting it to head up to towards the end of May, going into June, July. We should see way more green candles from Spell token heading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. Of course, do expect drops in between, but this is essentially what I'm predicting: overall increase in value. Just like the crypto market in general, I'm predicting it to go through a bullish movement over the next few weeks and months as well. So if we get rid of this and bring out the Bollinger Band here at the bottom, we can see that it is again trading, yes, in the upper half. However, it is nowhere near near the red line. That is the upper bound where it separates the crypto from being overvalued, and it's nowhere near there. So it's still got a long way, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So do predict more green candles from the crypto over the next couple of weeks. Now, if we get rid of this chart here and bring on the MACD indicator and zoom into the hourly chart, again we can see here that the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, trading below the signal line, however above the baseline, indicating an overall fluctuation in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So going into tomorrow midday, the crypto should be hovering around its current price range, with very minimal dips and peaks in between, but as I mentioned, no major movements. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, now we're looking very bullish, guys. The MACD line is trading above the baseline, above the signal line. So by the end of June, early July, we should predict Spell token to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So end of June, early July, I will be expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $125,000, $127,000, which should again have a major impact on the crypto market, and Spell token going for an increase. Zooming out finally to the daily chart, now we have back down below the signal line. However, it is looking slightly more on the bullish side. If you look at the blue line here, which is the MACD line, it is looking quite bullish, and it is still trading above the baseline, indicating yes, dips in between. That is always part of the process. However, the overall outcome going into Q3 around August, September is an overall increase in value from Spell token over the next 3 to 4 months, which again is reasonable, especially that we've gone through major drops here earlier this year. Majority of the crypto market was down, and since then it hasn't fully recovered yet. So it will be time for it to, not just Spell token, but the crypto market to go through a recovery towards Q3 to Q4 of 2025. So yeah, at the moment it is looking quite bullish for Spell token and the crypto market. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website, over the last week, again it has been down. It is just about 0.2% up. Over the month it is up 14%, and over the year, due to the major drops that have been taking place, it is still down 26%. So yeah, this is my prediction on Spell token, guys. Again, if you guys want to learn how to start trading, how to use technical indicators and all that stuff, you guys can access my trading guide, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. There is a discount code, everything will be there, so make sure you check it out. And the discount code is only valid for the first 100 members, but yeah, it is slowly starting to run out. But as you guys can see, this is the content. So yeah, it's a full-on A to Z guide. Make sure you check it out if you are interested. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, comment down below your end of year prediction for Spell token. I've seen ridiculous predictions like 1 cent, even 1 cent, guys. For it to do that, it will need to get rid of, let's have a look here, 2 zeros, guys, which I'm not predicting at the moment. But let me know your realistic price prediction for Spell token by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.